My name is Patanani Msani. I'm a chairperson of iThwathwa zone in Sanco. Ngihamba nabo deputy, not a deputy, ngihamba no secretary wezone yaseThwathwa and nama chairperson amanye in different wards. Our reason to be here in this police station, we want to know what happened yesterday in the morning where our people, driver get shot and find himself falling in a hole, and many people they got injured, and others we heard that they passed on. But now we don't know how many. We don't know how many they get injured, how many they died on that incident. Hence we come here in the police station to get information. But the answer we got is that the colonel of the police station, Colonel Kangasha, says the case number, they don't have case number here in iThwathwa because Larry Street is belong to Springs. Now, all information is in Springs. And he can't interfere to something that he doesn't understand. And he can't interfere as the matter is on another demarcation. It's demarcating differently. Tina spelela gupi Mpepetu. From Mpepetu, it's no longer iThwathwa, so we Davidton and Springs. So, but again, we never end there. We have said, all right, give us chance to speak about our issues of iThwathwa. We've given each other time and date to meet, where we are going to discuss our issues of iThwathwa. But the reality is that as iThwathwa, you are not happy. You are not happy about that. People are dying. People, innocent people, that just get shot. Even if a driver or to leave, it's still our community. And we can't allow our community to be just killed. We want the government to make, they must make plan, means and way to deal with these kind of things that are happening here in iThwathwa.
So is Sanco planning on doing anything when it comes to the issues as Umphakathi right now that we are faced with?
Time will come. Time will come to deal, to have some other actions that I can't divulge now. But time will come. We must get information now first from Springs, because we are told that Ramlare is a colonel of Springs, is the one that got it all information about the incident of yesterday. So, but about the action, time will come. Our masses will tell us what is it that we must do, because we belong to the masses. Masses must be them that giving a direction, where to go. We can't lead them, but we must play this thing so-called shepherd leadership. People must talk, and we must deliver on that mandate.
And then when it comes to the victims, the families who are affected to this, what is Sanco's position on that?
That is why you are here.
On supporting the families.
That is why you are here. We wanted to know the families. We didn't know the member of people that deceased. We don't have anything because the police station is not dealing with those issues as Bonabe iThwathwa. They are not dealing with those issues. The issues St. Davidton. But what St. Springs? Once we got those issues, the names and everything, maybe we'll be in the position to go and check the families. Okay,
just briefly, how can you rate the iThwathwa police station performance when it comes to dealing with issues as Umphakathi in iThwathwa?
We are very worried. We are very worried as Sanco. People started long time ago dying, shooting each other. We are very worried because we don't hear anything that talk about umuntu obushiwe. So and so shot to so and now is arrested. We are very worried about that. Then if we are talking about rate, it will be very low from us.
Okay,